In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove someone's access from Google Drive. If you have sent like a file and you want to limit or remove the person from seeing the file or clicking the link. Now, first, there are two ways to do this. Now, the first way is you want to find the file. You just need to you can click, for example, here, or shared, so for example, recent. You just need to find the file here that you have shared with the person. For example, this one. I just write click on three little dots next to it here, and then after that you want to click on share, and then click on share. And here you will be able to find all the people you have shared this with. Now, if you want to remove someone, just click on the editor and then click on remove access. Okay, so if you want to send again the request so that they can view the file, you can just make them as a viewer or editor, then click done. Now to remove them, click on editor, click on remove access. Now another way is you can search here in the top for their email. Now for example, this person, I'm going to check his email here. Okay, this is the email. So what I can do is I'm going to search here in Drive, just two. I'm going to search here for their email. Now this is going to let me know all the files I have shared with this person associated with this email. So now I can just click on each file, three little dots, and then click on share, and now you will find that person, remove it. Okay, here you will be able to find all these. So hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you.